Okay, so we've got a lot of work done so far. The next step is installing the post and deck beams because tomorrow we're starting the stone on the columns and on the garage. So over on the garage, what I did was I wrapped blue skin from the brick ledge up the wall and then overlap the Tyvek over top. So if any water ever gets in behind the siding or brick down below, it'll come down and run out the weep holes rather than rotting out your bottom plate and your wall and trapping moisture. I've already put the saddles on the posts. I ran a string to make sure they're perfectly all in line. And that way you can square them up as well in line so that your posts aren't twisted. So that's what I'm doing now. It's pretty straightforward. So those are good like that. So this post is just gonna stay where it is. It's nice.
Okay.
And it should be 26'9" and 5/8 to my pencil mark. Yeah, 26'9" and 3/4. So that's fine.
Oh, good.
I can pull these out. We could put a glob of PL.
Okay.
And then shove them back in. Just glob a little. So I had these custom angle irons made up because we're putting stone on the columns, and because they're round, the corners are obviously missing. So you need something for the stone to sit on. So these are gonna go on around it, and then the stone has something to sit on.
Whoa, you're good.
Pretty smart, eh?
That's super smart.
And then we'll fill it up with river rock to the bottom of the angle iron.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna grab a post.
Okay.
You got it for a sec?
No, I gotta go down. Wow, that was really heavy. Holy cow.
Just look out, it might fall.
Okay.
Pull that custom angle iron back towards the house. Okay, hold the balance.
Okay.
I think it's like, because we want it to just touch that line. Okay, just try and put it where it should be.
There. That's crazy.
Pretty beefy, eh?
Pretty beefy, I'd say.
Here's $200. Don't screw it up.
That post was $200. Yeah, don't screw it up.
Do you want to just double check it quick? Just to make sure. So you're on top, and I'm on there. That's my level. That's level, and you're on the top.
Mm-hmm.
So the bottom of that is the top of the level, which I have right here. And that's the height of the beam because it's getting nailed into that. So yeah, we're good. All good, baby, baby. Okay, time to cut. Again, don't screw it up, all right, kid? Soaking wet. No wonder it's so heavy.
Bring it back towards the house a bit.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh,
Nice.
that's
Good
pretty
job.
clean.
Nice job, babe.
Nicely done, Priscilla. Yeah, just wherever you have to put it down.
Cool.
Yeah, just drop it. Just put it down.
That didn't sound good.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
So same thing again, yeah.
Yep.
Just hold on,
Okay.
because I don't want that to sit on there.
Okay. We gotta shuffle it back.
Let me bring it down a little.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay. You got that, kind of?
I've got it.
Okay, you got the balance. I'm gonna slide it to the line.
Okay, babe.
Okay, let me just tap it over. Let me check something. You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
Whoa, looking up at the sky
Yeah.
is enough to make me want to throw up.
You can switch the level to the other side. I'll move it in a sec.
Okay, babe. That's like perfect, actually.
Yeah. Double check that for level. Because I'd moved it a little.
Perfect. Babe, this one is perfect.
You're okay?
Yep.
If you tweak your back, just drop it.
Okay.
So you don't put it in, you have to go past so that I can get in, if you can. Okay.
Okay.
You can put it on your edge and
Okay.
just keep it leaned back so you can take some weight off. There you go.
That helps. Okay, okay.
There you go.
Whoa, nice job on that one.
Thanks.
This is the new beam that is going to support the ceiling of the new front porch. So Andrew's just working on nailing the whole thing together, and then we're going to lift it up in the air and put it into the wall.
It's gonna be great.
It's going to be so great. Super easy.
We'll put that in on the beam there, on the right side of the post, like so where you're walking. Yep. You can just sit it right on there.
Okay, bestie. Now what?
Now,
We gotta go up?
yeah, we'll be good.
Both of us have to go up?
Nope, I'll be good. It'll be easy.
Is he gonna be good, folks? Let's see.
This is gonna be easy peasy, bud.
Will it?
I hope. Push your end down.
Okay.
Perfect. Push it up to me though.
Okay.
Okay, just keep pushing.
Okay.
You don't even have to lift, just push.
Okay. So you have all the weight right now?
Yeah?
Yeah? Do you want me to come up on the other side of the ladder?
Stand on the beam if you can. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna lift up, keep yours low,
Okay.
because I'm gonna slide mine in. And
Okay.
then when it's on, I'm gonna hop over to this side, I'll lift it up and slide it on. It's just we're gonna keep yours a little low,
Okay, baby.
like lower than mine.
Okay, babe.
But you're gonna have to kind of push towards me if you can.
Okay.
Right, this is actually, you got it for a sec?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, lower it down a little. Okay, you got it for a sec?
I got it, love. Okay.
Okay, just keep pressure to me, push to me,
Okay.
and then just hold it for a sec.
Okay.
You got it?
It's really heavy, but I'm okay.
I know. Push straight up if you can.
I got it. Okay, I can't reach any higher.
You can't lift any higher?
I'm on my tippy toes. Do you have it?
I'm hitting this freaking plywood on the roof.
Do you need me to bring it down?
One sec. Oh my God.
What do you need?
It's coming out on the other end.
It's coming out, babe.
Look out.
Do you want to ask for help?
No.
Okay, you're gonna have it all. I don't have it.
Just stay back in case it falls out of the wall.
Okay.
That's it, I think. You don't want to go too far, you'll go right through the plaster, right? 4.5. There we go.
All right.
That's where we want to be. You can go right here,
Okay.
nice and safe.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Wait,
slide
on
it.
the ladder?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna slide it to you. You're just gonna put it up there,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna slide it back here.
Okay, baby.
I'll help you get it up there.
Okay, good.
So just push it tight against the other one. There, yeah. Okay, now just please hold. I may need my ladder, for sure.
Wait,
It's okay.
please hold.
You too?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna slide it to me, make sure it doesn't fall off. You got
Okay.
lots of room there?
Yeah.
Because it should end up about halfway on that beam.
Okay, babe. Oh. What's wrong?
Why is it hitting that frickin' thing? I'm gonna put mine first.
Okay.
So just hold the balance. You might have to put it up on that 2x4 brace,
Okay.
like on the outside of it. Yep. You got it for a sec?
I got it. This stuff smells like cheese.
It's
Does
been
it?
sitting outside.
It smells really bad. Ew.
That's tight, eh?
Yeah.
I like it a lot, baby.
Oh, baby.
We got the front beam in that's gonna hold the rafters that go up towards the house. And then we got this other beam in, the short one that goes from the post to the house, that's gonna hold the trusses for the new porch roof. So we gotta do the one on the other side still. That'll be tomorrow's task. And then just fill in the front. They don't have to be beams, there's no weight sitting on it, but we're gonna build them out like they are just so that it looks finished all the way across. But yeah,
Pretty cool. We can see it starting to take shape.
yeah.
It's so exciting.